Okay, here's a fix for a Phoenix pool robot. This will go on the bottom of your pool and scoop up dirt via suction pressure from your filter system. Anyway, this has been running for about 3 years here, and it's a Hayward. What happens is the hose has to turn automatically because this thing makes lots of turns, and this will become damaged. So there's a white ring in here, and what I did was that white ring wouldn't seat, so I wrapped some nylon string around that and was able to force that ring on and make it steady. I did burn the nylon string right there to make the knot tight and not come off. And now the whole thing is you can push down on this and put the hose back on. So that's the problem you had, was you couldn't push down. The ring would unseat. So this has to rotate basically. The hose has to go on here. It's got to be kind of loosey-goosey and rotate. I hope I did this right, because it also needs to have some good suction pressure too. I'm thinking the suction might just suck it in like that. I guess we're gonna find out, but it didn't work at all before. This plastic piece would drop into the machine and I couldn't really tighten it up. So this is kind of a hack, but we'll see how it goes. Phoenix Hayward pool suction machine. I guess I could run you down there and show you how it goes. Let's see if it'll work. Excuse my bare feet, but that's how it is here. The landlord won't replace our carpet. Hudson Homes owns this house and the carpet's complete crap. It would probably cost them $5,000 to replace it, but we're tired of this carpet getting stains on it from the previous people, and the stains won't come out. The carpet guy says that the underlying liner is bad. Okay, so Hurricane Milton coming to Florida. The dog misses its other dog, which went to the groomers. Anyway, here's the pool out here. Let's turn the pump off. Alexa, turn off pump 3. Alexa, turn off pool. Okay, that's off. That turns the pump off, so we have no pressure. So all I want to do is get this hose and mount it up. So the correct end would be the white end. I guess we're gonna move out of here. I'm gonna miss this pool. This has been a great pool. All right, so the whole thing is, can I connect this now and push down on the hose and it grips? You want to push too hard and break it, but yet if it's too easy, it won't work. Okay, that's pretty good. That turn, okay. Throw it back. Let's see if we can make it go. Plug it into the suction side port. Pools are kind of fun. I'm gonna miss having a pool. All right, so yeah, the guy that built this house put a great pool into it. Then he probably had divorce or something and moved out. Who knows what happened, but he built a nice pool here. I love this pool. Okay, so you plug in this thing to this little port. The trouble is getting this darn thing open. Bah. It's really hard to open this thing. There it is. Got Got some green going on here. Put this guy in here. That's it. Turn the pump back on. See if the thing crawls. So that robot will crawl from suction from the pump. That's how a pool robot works. Alexa, turn on pump 4. Pump 4 is high speed. Alexa, turn on pump 3. Alexa, turn on pool. Pump 3 is medium speed. Pool is the pool temperature. Pump 4 is high speed. Let's see if high speed is working. Come here, dog. There you go. All right, this thing is crawling like it should. That's what you want to see, is it crawling along, doing its thing, picking up slop. Those sides will blow out the air in that hose. And we're set. So it looks like we're all fixed again. The trick is now, will it tangle up? I don't think it will. That thing will make a lot of turns. That's how it works. It'll make some turns and the hose can get tangled if it's sticky. It should make a turn any second now. If it doesn't, we're in trouble. Come on, turn. I don't think I broke it, but it's not turned. That goes. Okay, that's what it does. Anyway, if the hose doesn't tangle up eventually, we're all set. It'll make a lot of turns to make sure the hose doesn't tangle. And there you go. Let's let it run for a while and see how it turns out. All right. I guess I'll capture the pump over here. This pool is a Hayward pump. Which I attached a temperature sensor to. Got that working again. I put a speed cable in this thing, which I made, by the way. There's the cable. I was selling those on eBay for like 300 bucks a cable when they weren't available. And here's the controller for this thing. I had to upgrade this whole controller to get it work with Alexa. This connects to the home Wi-Fi. Pool controller in here. I had to put a bunch of relays in here. Otherwise it works. Gonna miss this pool controller. It's quite the good little guy. There we go. All right.